Hello, so today I'm going to be doing a puzzle of a family of elephants, something I've seen selling on Etsy quite a lot lately. I'm just going to cut around the image. And just so that I can reach the inside of the elephant, to make it easier, I've cut a loop. This is the first time I've tried a lane cut, but it looks like it's going okay. I have gone straight across the bottom here deliberately, just so that I can make the elephant stand up at the end. And now that I've cut them out and they all fit together nicely, I'm going to do some sanding around the edges. Whoops, there you go, the knot's just fallen out. Just put a little bit of glue around the knot just so that it sets in place. Just sanding the edges off to take the sharpness away from the ends. Now that all the pieces have been coated, I'm going to leave them to dry for a while. So here we have it, the final jigsaw. I have an idea for what I'm hoping is going to be an amazing video next week, and I will be starting it as soon as this one's finished.